In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create toggle switch in Figma. A toggle switch is a simple on-off control used across settings screens and forms. We'll source a polished one from the Figma community and then make it your own so it fits your project's style. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can open and copy community files without interruptions. Once you're in, look for the community area. This is Figma's library of free, reusable components, UI kits, and resources shared by designers around the world. Click Community to open the search and browsing view. In the search bar, type toggle switch. You'll see a variety of results. You can focus on files if you want complete components rather than plugins or widgets. As you browse, pick a toggle that looks clean and modern, ideally one that mentions variants or states in the description. That usually means it includes both on and off styles and may have interaction settings ready to go. Click into the one you want to use to open its detail page. On the file page, click Open in Figma. This will open the community file in your workspace so you can select and copy elements. Give it a moment to load, then locate the toggle component on the canvas or in the layers panel. If you see a main component and instances, copying an instance is great for quick use, while copying the main component gives you full control to tweak the source. Select the toggle and copy it using your standard copy shortcut. Switch over to your own design file or project where you want to use the toggle and paste it in. Place it inside the frame or artboard where it belongs, like a settings panel or a form. If the scale feels off, adjust it proportionally or change the auto layout or constraints so it aligns with your layout system. Now customize it. Update colors to match your brand, including the track, the knob, and any shadow or stroke. If the component includes variants for on and off, use the properties panel to switch states and verify spacing and typography. Rename the component or instance to follow your design system's naming and check corner radii and padding for consistency. If the file includes interactive components, test the prototype to see the toggle animate between states. Finally, review accessibility, ensure sufficient contrast in both states, and make the knob large enough to tap comfortably. That's it. You've found, copied, pasted, and customized a toggle switch from the Figma community to use in your own project.